Hi, I'm Mr. B, and welcome back to Mr. B's How to Read a Sentence. In the last video, we looked at how to find your predicate noun. In this next video, I want to show you the predicate adjective. So, we go through our steps again. Step number one, isolate the prepositional phrase. In this first sentence, we have two prepositional phrases. In the spring, Mary is happy for sunshine. In the spring is a prepositional phrase, so we'll cross it out. For sunshine is a prepositional phrase, so we'll cross it out. And that leaves us with the basic sentence, Mary is happy. Now, if you're following the directions above, you'll see that we want to first determine the verb in this sentence. In this case, is the verb. We ask ourselves, is it a linking verb or an action verb? And in this case, it's a linking verb. So, we've got the sentence, Mary is happy. Is your verb. We look left and determine that Mary is going to be the subject. Then we look after the linking verb and we find the adjective happy. This adjective happy can only modify one noun in the sentence, and that noun is Mary, the subject. So happy becomes your predicate adjective. It follows the linking verb and it gives you a description of the subject. Same thing happens in this next sentence. In the school, Mark and Jay are smart. Now, again, we'll isolate the prepositional phrase. In this case, in the school is your prepositional phrase, and you're left with the sentence, Mark and Jay are smart. We then decide what is the verb, and in this case, we decide that are is going to be your linking verb. We'll look left to find the subject, and in this case, we have the compound subject, Mark and Jay. Mark and Jay are, followed by the adjective smart. This adjective smart modifies the subject. One way to think about it is that an adjective must modify a noun or nouns, and in this case, the only nouns that this adjective can modify are Mark and Jay. So smart modifies Mark and Jay. It's an adjective that follows a linking verb and modifies or gives you more information about the subject.